Hello everybody, in this video we'll learn the basics of Sudoku and the 3 basic rules of Sudoku. Okay, first let's see what are the basics, the basic components of Sudoku. So any typical Sudoku puzzle has these smaller boxes called cells. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 horizontally, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 into 9, total 81 cells in a square shape. Okay, this is an entire Sudoku puzzle. So this horizontal alignment of the cells are called rows, and the vertical alignment of cells are called columns. So there are 9 rows and 9 columns in any Sudoku puzzle. If you see, there are some lines which are marked in bold. These are bold lines, not like these thin lines. These are thicker lines. Okay, so if you see, these are 3 by 3 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So these contains 9 cells. Each of these is called a box. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 boxes in total. So now we have learned what are the 3 basic components of any Sudoku puzzle: rows, columns and boxes. These are the key components of any Sudoku puzzle. Of course, there are cells, but we mainly concentrate and use rows, columns and boxes to solve any Sudoku puzzle. Okay, now let's move on to the 3 basic rules of Sudoku. First rule is that each of the cells in any row should contain all the numbers 1 through 9. So there are 9 cells in any row, and all this should be filled with numbers 1 through 9, which means there should not be any repetition and no number should be missing between 1 through 9. Now, rule number 2. The same rule basically, but now it's for a column. So each column should contain all the numbers 1 through 9. So there are 9 cells in any column, and each of the column should contain all the numbers 1 through 9, which means again there should not be any repetition and no number should be missing. Now the last rule, rule number 3, is each box should contain all the numbers 1 through 9. If you see, it's a 3 by 3 box, which means it contains 9 cells. So the rule number 3 is all these 9 cells should be filled with numbers 1 through 9, which means again there should not be any repetition of the numbers and there should not be any missing number between 1 through 9. Hope you understood the basic components of any Sudoku puzzle and the 3 basic rules of Sudoku. Like this video, share it and subscribe to this channel to see more tips and tricks on how to solve Sudoku puzzles, and also to watch daily Sudoku puzzles and how to solve them. Thank you.